I talked a little bit about the idea of structure dictates function. And while that is true for DNA at a very core level, proteins are entirely, their function is entirely dependent on their structure. And so this is important because the structure of protein is dictated by the sequence of nucleotides in the DNA. So the structure of protein is dependent on the sequence of codons coming from DNA and RNA. And so the function of protein is dictated by the nucleotide sequence of mRNA. And there are four levels of protein structure. The first is the primary structure. This is just the amino acid sequence, which is entirely dictated by the DNA and RNA sequence, the codons. Following the primary structure, there's the secondary structure. These are alpha and helixes and beta sheets. These are formed by hydrogen bonds between the backbone of the protein. Then finally, you have the tertiary structure, and this is formed through interactions between amino acids, specifically their functional groups. And again, their functional groups are dependent on which amino acids are actually present. So the tertiary structure is dependent on the primary structure, the amino acid sequence. Then finally, you have quaternary structure. This is when multiple peptides interact together. So if you have a multi-peptide thing, what I'm looking for. Basically, if you have like some things in your cell need multiple peptides to actually do their jobs, and so in order to do this, you have the interaction of different polypeptides together, different proteins together.